When the world looked away, he leaned in. From Jamaica to the Philippines, Colaz Smith chose action over comfort. Welcome back to my returning viewers, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel, Just a Thought. This is a channel where we highlight the greatness that our Jamaicans are doing in Jamaica and across the world. Today, we bring you an in-depth exclusive commentary on a remarkable humanitarian journey led by Jamaica's own Colaz Smith. Over the past week and a half or to 2 weeks thereabout to the recording of this video, he has been in the Philippines, stepping off planes, diving headfirst into the streets of Manila, feeding families, handing out mattresses, pillows, toiletries, and cooking meals under the bridge. This is not just travel vlogging, it's courageous empathy, it's global solidarity. Colaz, known to many as a charismatic Jamaican content creator, made a bold decision: leave his family and team behind in Jamaica and fly halfway across the world. Why? In one of his Philippine video live broadcasts that he streamed, he said, "I had to come. Their need is real." He said this from the heart. He is without familiar comforts, unfamiliar languages, crowded streets, uncertain safety, but he said it himself, it's worth every risk. God is the greatest. We out here without fear. Within days, Colaz ventured into Manila's most vulnerable areas, under the bridge, including Happy Land and the infamous Smoky Mountain, a former landfill turned into makeshift community. He did this out of love. He didn't just stand with a few people. In subsequent video clips, he fed real chicken meals to over 100 people, explicitly saying, "We fed these people living under the bridge with real chicken, not pagpag." A clip from a few days since his arrival in the Philippines showed him spending an entire day with a Filipino family. They're handing out rice, toiletries, and blankets. Every interactions show empathy, respect, and dignity. What sets this apart? He doesn't just deliver items, he cooks. In one video, he fed all the people living under the bridge. You can see him cooking rice and chicken to the entire group. He sits, he shares meals, listen to their stories, and respond with kindness. In one touching moment, Colaz speaks with a mother whose children hadn't eaten properly in days. He promises, "We'll do more." It's human connection, not just content. Then came Ace, a traveling YouTuber who joined Colaz for a powerful collaboration. Their joint video titled Colaz Smith and Ace, the best collaboration in the Philippines, was published shortly after. Together, their efforts doubled the reach. More meals, more blankets, more eyes and hearts focus on these communities. Viewers can see Ace helping to cook, hand out bags of rice, and piling up mattresses. The synergy amplifies hope. It's global collaboration at its finest. A Jamaican with an American YouTuber working side by side to uplift those in need. This is no solo mission. Comments rolled in from Jamaica, Canada, USA, to name a few. Many Jamaicans online urging, "Donate, help my countryman." Colaz reads them on camera and says, "Your money is safe. I'll buy whatever is needed here." He visits local Filipino markets and suppliers, buying mattresses, pillows, cooking supplies by the dozens. He ensures culturally relevant food and toiletries. They are not imported. They are locally sourced, sustaining the economy and ensuring fast delivery. The result? In just 2 weeks, they fed hundreds, distributed multiple mattresses and pillows, touching thousands of lives at the grassroots level. Back in Jamaica, the story continues. Colaz's team left behind has continued the mission, cooking for the underprivileged neighborhoods in Kingston. The country team still working on projects down in that side of Portland. The trust he places in his crew is profound. They are family, even when miles away. It underscores a central theme: one mission, two continents, rippling solidarity. And the world is taking notice. One comment reads, "He is God's chosen vessel," reflecting how deeply moved viewers has been. His video, we gave rise to over 50 families under the bridge, as it over 27,000 views in only 5 hours since it was posted. And that video is doing extremely well. It's more than numbers. It's global witness, people noticing with attention and empathy. Colaz's journey is a testament. One person, driven by compassion, can build bridges across cultures, across oceans. From Jamaica to Manila, we see the power of empathy in action. If you've been touched by this story, support Colaz Smith TV by watching, sharing, and subscribing to his channel. Also, I ask you to subscribe to this channel, Just a Thought, like and share this video, and join this global movement. Thank you for watching Just a Thought. Until next time, let empathy be our guide.